My name is Eric, and today we will be doing a super basic tiny home in Autodesk Revit 2021. I'm going to start by opening a new project. It's going to be a architectural template. Hit OK. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is get our levels into place. You're going to go down here in the project browser, down to elevations, double click that east elevation to open it up. We already have a level 1 and a level 2. We're going to be adding a level 3 and 4. Just go ahead and click that level command and start placing those levels. Alright, hit modify. Level 2 we want at 8 feet. Level 3 we want at 14 feet. And level 4, 18 feet. Alright, once you have those in place, go ahead and go back to the level 1 floor plan. We're going to do a site plan to start us off here. So we're going to do the model line command, hit that rectangle tool, and just make a rectangle. We want our tiny house to be 20 feet by 10 feet. And this is going to be the boundaries of the livable space for our tiny home. We do want to put an offset of 2 feet for an overhang that we'll be putting in later. For the offset, you want to make sure that the dotted lines are where you want that offset line to be placed. So I don't want it to be placed inside, I want it to be placed outside. So we've got the dotted lines on the outside, just have that connect all the way around, hit modify. Now we're ready to put in our slab foundation. So you're going to go to structure, foundation panel on the ribbon, hit slab. And we want that 6-inch foundation slab. Now, when you put in a foundation in Revit, the default is to have the foundation go underneath level 1. We don't want that for our tiny house, so we're going to put a 6-inch offset because our foundation is 6 inches. So hit that rectangle, going to trace that inner rectangle there, got that, hit OK. There we go. Alright, so as you can see on level 1, we have our foundation above level 1 and not below. Alright, hit that architecture tab, or the architecture tab, hit wall command. We're going to add some walls in here on level 1. So change the wall type to 6 inches. Now up here on the place wall modify bar, we've got some options. So we want the height of these walls to connect to level 2. And we also want the location line to be a finish face exterior. Just means when we place that wall that it's going to line up with the edge of that foundation. Hit that rectangle tool again. Going to grab that corner. Grab that corner, and there we go. Alright, let's open that 3D view so we can really see it. Zoom in a bit. Alright, so there are our walls for level 1. You can see right there, level 1. There we go. Alright. And also look at it from the east elevation just to make sure that our walls are actually going up to level 2 and not going up to any other level. So back on level 1, let's open up that level 2 floor plan, and we're gonna put in another slab. It's gonna be the floor for level 2. So hit slab. We still want foundation 6-inch. Now this time, instead of hitting the rectangle, we're gonna do by line. So zoom in a bit. Go to that outer. I'm going to go up maybe, let's see, maybe 12 feet. And now we're going to trace that overhang. go. Just to give us a nice little patio. Alright, so to access the second level, as of right now, we have no way to do that, so we're gonna add an opening. So hit that rectangle tool again, and we're gonna, let's see, let's just do that. We'll make it 4 feet. Alright, hit modify. That's what it should look like. Hit that green check mark. This is just asking if we want our level 1 walls to attach to the floor of level 2. We do, so hit attach. Alright, go to the 3D view so we can see what we got so far. And there it is. Alright, let's go back to level 2, get some walls in here. Go to the architecture tab, wall command. And we want these walls to go up to level 3, so make sure level 3 is highlighted there. Location line is still going to be finished face exterior. Let's get a rectangle going, and make sure that it's the 6-inch basic wall. Grab that corner, maybe go to, let's make it, do that, let's make that 14 feet. There we go. Alright. Modify. Let's go to that 3D view, and as you can see, we now have walls on level 2 that go up to level 3. Check that out on the east elevation. As you can see, there we go. Alright. Now let's go. Let's do a railing while we're here. So we're on level 2. Hit the railing, and we're going to put an offset of about 1 inch so that the railing isn't right on the edge there. And we're going to use the pick lines to create that. Zoom in a little bit. Alright. And we want that offset to be on the inside of our overhang. There we go. Alright. Hit that green check mark. Zoom out. Check it out in 3D. There we go. Got a nice railing. Nice outdoor space for our tiny home. Right there on level 2. Alright. Let's open level 3. So you're going to go over here, project browser, floor plans, double click level 3. Now, as you can see, you can't see anything. So to fix that, we're going to go over here on the properties box. We're going to scroll down until we get to underlay. So where it says range base, I'm going to go to level 1. Top range, let's do level 3. And we want to make sure we're looking down. Hit apply, and that will give you the view of your tiny home. Alright. Now we're going to place that roof. Alright, so we're going to go to architecture, roof by footprint. And we're going to make a rectangle. Let's make sure that we got do a 9-inch generic roof. We're going to hit that rectangle tool, go from the outermost corner to the outermost corner, go. Now for our roof, we want it to have a slope, so we're going to hit escape once, going to select that line, oh, no, hit escape twice, select that line, that line, that line, and we're going to uncheck defines slope. And then for right here on this last line, we're going to change the slope to be 2 feet, or 2 inches to 12 inches. So hit that. Alright. Hit OK. And let's see if that worked for us. Go to the 3D, and it did. Alright. So while we're in 3D view here, we can see that our walls for the second level are not attached to the roof. We're going to do that by selecting all of our walls here. There we go. And we're going to say attach top base, hit that, and hit that. And that should, there we go. Alright, and that's basically it. If you want, obviously you can go back and add doors and windows. Maybe we'll add a door or a window just to show you guys that. So go to your level 1, go to the architecture tab, gonna get a door in here. That sounds good. Alright, put that door right somewhere in the middle there. There we go. Let's add a window, architecture, window. I don't want a fixed window. Let's do some double hung. Alright, and we'll do one right there. One right there. There we go. Alright, let's get maybe like a fixed in the back here. Try to get that nice and centered. Alright, there we go. Let's check that out on our 3D. Got windows and the door. Let's go on level 2. Let's get a door in there. Got a door. Go back to architecture tab. Let's get a window. Let's see that, and put one in the back. Alright, cool. There we go, super basic, but get the point across. We got windows, we got doors, we got a railing, and that is a basic tiny house.